breathe. I'm burning up like 1,000 degrees. Watch it, post it, it's getting wild, man. All eyes, I'ma keep it dialed and swipe it, like it, look, I made it. Hashtag, yup, I'm the greatest. And the game don't stop till I get on top. Are you ready now? Whoa, yeah.
I'll be that silver lining to the story. If you thought that I would turn and run, then y'all don't know me. May my fears rest in peace, cause that's a old me. Got this taste on my tongue, I crave the glory. Gasoline in my veins, be the fuel through my pain. Oh, as we rise from the flames. Heart of a lion, never say never. Cut like a diamond, shining.
How are you feeling today? Wolf Summit!
They say the struggle is real. I say the struggle reveals how you deal with the monster that's inside you. I don't buy into the luck. I put my faith and my trust in my team. Everything that we done been.
Alamin nyo kung sino yung right people na sasamahan nyo. Number 2, set your goals straight. And set your goals, yung nasabi ko, diba? Taasan nyo. Pinakamataas. Para kasi di yung makuha.
Heart of a lion, never say never.
You should thank the person who invited you here and of course, continue to be a blessing to others.
It's time to fire on up, yeah. Pound on your chest like there's no tomorrow.
So, just continue, no, my dear friends. Wala na pong bababa. No? Kung nasan na po tayo ngayon, we have to level up and to continue to do our best.